Hello guys, welcome to Dang channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how a new paper airplane fly. Wow. Wow. Hello everybody, welcome to Dang channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a new paper airplane. The paper airplane is a new design and it flies very well in and outdoor. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper. But if you do not have US letter size paper, that's okay. Use A4 paper and this will work. Now, first step, let me flatten the paper. Flatten it up. On the following step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Alright. And now let's unfold the paper. Next step, I flip the paper over, flatten it down, and fold the paper in half again. Alright, so this is what we have. Now, let's start from this up edge. Fold this up edge to the other side. Okay, so we are creating a new crease here. Then unfold the paper. Repeat the same step for the opposite side. Start from this edge, go to the other side. So just press it down. Okay. Now unfold the paper. You can see that all creases are lined up at this point. That is perfect. Now I will turn the paper this way and I fold the paper like this. Alright, so this is what we have. Let's hold this top part all together and fold to a side. Okay, and repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Let's fold this upper part to the other side. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Let's fold it upper part down, especially this crease, to match the center crease below. And this is what we have. Pretty good. Now we have a house shape. That is okay. That's exactly what we want. Okay. There is a little bit off on the sides. This is okay too, because we're not going to make a very long distance. We're going to make a paper airplane that can fly. Okay. So now let's do a very basic step that we always do for the swallow. This is a base fold that I always use to make a new plane, or sometimes just to make a plane that look awesome. Okay, so for this part to assign, and now we start from this edge and fold to the center crease. If you know how to make the spirit dragon, you should know how to fold this step. Okay, I'll fold this side out. Repeat the same fold here. Flatten the paper again. Start from the edge, fold to the center crease. Okay. Alright. So this is what we have. Okay. Similar to how we make the wings for the spirit dragon, let's make the wings for this plane as well. So for this one, I will not show you the difficult way, which actually is very useful for advanced user. But if you're new, just do it simple. Estimate about 2 inches along this crease or edge, and fold this piece of the paper out to create the wings. Okay. And just fold like this. Now I finished the first wing. I fold this part of the paper back here. I just this is a simple way. Hold the paper like this and fold it in half, and let's flip it over again and fold this wing. The reason why I do it this way is to make the wings even. Okay. If you don't need to have the wings even, that's fine. You can fold whatever way you want. So this is what we have. Just like before that part ready, let's fold this part up. And when we fold up, it will remind you of the avatar. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to fold the whole thing, the whole big part up here down. Okay. So let me show you guys how to do it. Okay, I'll fold this one as well. So look at this, look at what we have. Okay, so let's see what we have. A very cool, awesome shape of the plane. Okay, you can see how it's look like now. On the following step, I will open this part and fold this one back up. You can see how it's look like now. So this is what we have so far. This look really cool, right? And on the following step, oh wait, this is exactly what we had before, so I will flip the paper over and fold this one back again. Okay, not to confuse you guys, but this is a new plan for me, so I still have to remember how to fold this. We'll fold the paper in half first to keep the head all together. I fold it in half and I fold this part of the paper down. Okay, I fold it down to create the wings. Okay. And I repeat the same for the opposite side. Okay guys, and I can hold the paper up to see how it look like. Well, it's look not bad. Next step, just like how we create a spirit dragon, right? I'll fold this part of the paper up. Let's flatten the paper up and fold this part up to create the stabilizer. Okay, and repeat the same for the opposite side. Okay, this is a cool looking plane, guys. So let's take a look at this. To fly the plane, to fly this plane, you just like any other plane, just hold right here. Okay, hold right here. I'll take a look at the top part here. It looks really nice. I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and check out the spirit dragon, one of the most best awesome plane ever.